we would go there and man, I just remember him going through the records. He would sit there. Sometimes he'd keep the headphones on before, while he would make it. And then so you could hear it, and then he'd have it cooked up and then just pump it. You'd be like, oh man, what is this? You just go crazy over the music. You'd be like, damn, we were like Nag Champa, INCENSE. And that's when I named that song, Nag Champa. It's dope to look back on. It started here. The light was the first song, and Nag Champa was them two. That's where it started for this album.
And the thing that cats gotta understand, this is why Jay is the best producer of all time. This is one of many reasons that Jay is the best producer of all time, all time, all time, all time.
Lapis, lazuli pimp, ebony ankles, high heels supporting shifts. You know I balance the extremes like it's BMX. Underwhelmed at all the sensuality and sex. Same time I heard Yo-Yo's Black Pearl too late. I've been squatting like Lil' Kim since '98, networking, vision boarding my tours, educated men in Morehouse just wanting more whores. I just need a vegan moment where these things ain't eating at my flesh, where I don't need to be admired for resilient strength. Detox your algorithm, word to supernova slum. I rap Clark sisters, Gilliard, I got the bomb. Stay lubricated, weak shit, the loop dissolved. Reclaiming 10 times right for every fucking wrong. Creatures of disguise like these two wrong fools, man, who is you? This is why I stay out of my DMs. If rappers took oaths, who be in prison for perjury? It's hip-hop hospital and I'm needed in surgery. I was indoors working on pelvic floors and the merger fees. Daniel Beatty through the night emergency. So theatrical, healing art, Orwellian, fan club of thugs, thespians and some lesbians.